Exceptional cases. Very big chapter. Exceptional cases, guys. Be careful, students. I just told you that every part must be capitalized in heading. If there are 5 words or 6 words or 3 words or 4 words, right? Every part must be capitalized. But there are some exceptional cases. The first case, list of words not capitalized in titles or in headings. What's the first one? Articles. Guys, remember, if article comes in a heading, it is always written small. How many articles are there in English grammar? There are only 3 articles in English grammar. The first is a, second an, and the third is the. Right? If these words, if they appear in title or if they appear in heading, they're always small. Short words like fewer than 4 letters, like normally phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs, guys, remember, if any phrasal verb appears in title or in heading, phrasal verb means like, verb plus preposition. Okay, the combination of verb plus preposition is called a phrasal verb, and it's also called a verb phrase. For example, run into, for example, fill in, for example, fill out, for example, fill up, for example, turn up, turn down. These kind of words, when they are appeared in headings or in titles, they are always small. Okay, they should not be capitalized. The third exceptional case, and that is preposition. Yes, if any preposition appears in heading or in title, for example, in, on, a, to, for, with, before, after, these are basically prepositions, and when they appear in headings, they are always small. They are never written capital. Conjunctions again, sorry. Conjunctions in, but, these are all conjunctions, right? And there is a list of conjunction, right, that you can just find, in different grammar books or even online there. So all those conjunctions are small, okay? They are never written capital, although they will be the part of the heading, although they will be the part of the titles, but they're always small.